Hello my beautiful and amazing fans. Thank you so much for those who are new to my channel and those who are been here with me from day one. Thank you so much. It is 2022 and it's July and it's a very hot day today, so that's why I'm sitting under the tree. I have my water somewhere next to me, but I really have to do this video because I have my tomatoes which are getting very big and they're falling apart, and it's time to get rid of those little suckers, and I'm going to explain to you what suckers I'm talking about in a sec. These are literally my tomato plants. They're looking so amazing at the moment, but there's one thing about them right now. They're literally growing out of proportion. The blossomings are great. There are some that are here and they've already started to produce tomatoes, but because the UK has such a short time to grow things, I want to remove the bottom leaf, which are down here. Let me get you guys closer. Which are down here, the bottom leaves. Let's get you guys to see them. Oops, let's smooth that out of the way. This is a bottom leaf right here. Let me just remove that one so you guys can see clearly. Let's get rid of this because it has not been pruned. This one here, which is a sucker. So you have your main stem, which is running from this angle here, this all the way up, and there's a sucker here that's taking all the energy from the main stem. And you know, I don't want to literally having to struggle to produce tomatoes or letting them ripe early enough so I can harvest them. So all these suckers down the bottom here and the bottom leaves I'm going to take off. Take this all off and clean it up and let the energy that is coming through the plant up into the main stem to the flowering, which are up here, be the thing that it focuses most on, so I can get some fruit. Let me get cracking with that and I'll show you what else is happening around me. Now that I've literally pruned it back, cut off the leaves that I want and leave some that I need to make sure the plant can produce a great harvest, or I hope it produces a great harvest. What I'm going to use, I always use a cotton string to tie my plants, or anything natural to tie them, because once they're trees, and I'm just going to chop them down, throw it in the ground and blend it into the soil. And this is a natural thing, so you're not actually causing any harm to the ground or the soil that you're using to grow your tomatoes. Let me just tie this up. I'm going to probably tie two, and I'm going to show you one that I've done before, and you can see how amazing it looks with it tied up. This is the first one I did. I literally tied it around the bamboo because I love bamboo. Bamboo sticks are amazing. They last a long time, but I have some very tall ones. So if the tomato plants which are growing taller, I can continue to tie it on it, and it's great support and it lasts a very long time. It doesn't deteriorate like normal wood would do. So that's why I use bamboo. They're fantastic for that. Not just for the durability, but the fact that they are really strong and do well with my plants. I just love nature, so I use nature to help nature. So the leaves are here. They're still going to be able to get all that beautiful sunlight from there, take it to the roots, and I have literally chopped the leaves off and just dropped it along the roots for mulch. So that's adding back value there. I don't want to throw anything away, so I'm adding back value to the plant, and in this way it will keep the plant going strong throughout its growing process. This is what it looks like right now. These are my beautiful determinant ones, which are the ones that grow really tall and right up in the air, and they can go up to about 3 to 4 feet, probably even more than that. Depends on how what they are. Sometimes nature decides to do its own thing, but you never know. Look at those beautiful things. it's now opened up a lot of airflow between it, so it minimizes any sort of disease factors and allowing me to go through there without knocking off the blossoms and keeping my fruit off the ground and not allowing those pests to come and eat them. And it just minimizes everything, and it allows me my fruit to be focused by getting rid of all these little side shoots off the plant itself. It allows the plant to focus on the growth and production of the fruit, and it's what I'm looking for because our season is so short in the UK. We just want to make sure we're getting the focus right. And that is it. This is your hot and sweaty Rambo green hens, and I hope you learned something new today about why we prune and how we pruned. Remember, there's two different type of varieties of tomato plant. There's indeterminate and the determinants. And my one that I'm growing here are determinate ones. They're the taller version, and then the indeterminate ones are the bushy type. Thank you so much. Don't forget to love yourself, love everybody you do, or everything that you're doing, and please look after the planet. Come back, there's more to come.